Okay, the new Prestige Rooms at Constance Belle Mare Plage. Very excited to see these. These are the original blocks which have been here for over 20 years since I first came here, and they've refurbished them in the past, but wow, they've done a fantastic job this time. Absolutely stunning. I mean, a decent sized room, plenty of room to store your golf clubs, and as usual, all the rooms are never too far away from the pools and the beach. And those who've been here before know that the hotel's got some amazing dining options. But wow, I really am pleased to see this. I mean, this is the lead-in room. We've got some amazing rates for these rooms, and I mean the quality and the standard of finish looks fantastic. Those of you who've been here before and stayed in the Prestige Rooms, I'm sure you're going to be delighted to come back and see this.